guys, Mama Loves to Travel here. Now, as you know, we love all-inclusive travel. We've been to a total of about 9 different all-inclusive resorts, and this is the first time we've ever gone back to the exact same one. Our boys love Dreams Dominicus, and we consider this our home away from home. We love the resort. It is gorgeous. It's so beautiful. And the staff, oh my gosh, they go above and beyond to try and make your vacation the best it could possibly be. Please stay after the room tour. There are some things that I may have missed or I want to clarify after the room tour. Okay, so here we go. We booked a deal of the day, and this is the room that we got. Bathroom with lots of towels and lots of amenities. This beautiful mirror to make sure you look gorgeous before you go outside. And an espresso bar, so you can make your coffee, snacks for the kids. But who are we kidding? Snacks for me too, right? Before coming here, they asked us what we'd like to drink, and we said anything but alcohol, please. So they stocked our mini fridge with lots of soda, juices, and water, and they do restock that daily. We have 2 double beds. That wonderful beach bag is to be used while you are here. And closet with lots of storage space, extra blankets, the safe. And if you notice, there are 3 sets of bathrobes and slippers this time around because Jaden is now considered an adult. Here at this resort, if you are 13 years or older, you are an adult. And part of our room of the deal, we got a swim out room, which we love. We love swim out rooms. And out there, there's a jacuzzi, and you can't see it on the other side. There's also a pool and a bar. I'm just so excited to be here at Dreams Dominicus, and this is something that they gave us, welcoming us here. It looks so yummy. Cannot wait to tear into that. And that says, welcome home, Jez, Eric, Jaden, and Landon. Before coming here, they also emailed us asking us if we're celebrating anything special. And we said, yes, we're actually celebrating my son's birthday. And they had that waiting for him. Happy birthday, Rookie of the Year. With a little gift at the back. Oh my goodness, you guys, I cannot even. We are so excited here. We love it here, and we know we are going to enjoy our stay because here we are going to be living the dream here at Dreams Dominicus. Thank you, Dreams Dominicus and UVC. Hi again. So here are some things I forgot to mention or I want to clarify. So the room we booked was via Unlimited Vacation Club, and the room we booked is called Room of the Day or Deal of the Day, and I got mixed up and kind of shoved the words together, and I think I called it Room of the Deal or Deal of the Room, something silly like that. But basically, it usually means a tropical view room. But because we are UVC members, Unlimited Vacation Club members, we do get a free upgrade, and so our free upgrade was to the Preferred Club Deluxe Swim Out Room. Clarification on the beach bags, you can use them while you're at the resort and you can take them home. Yes, they are yours to keep. Another clarification, kids 13 and above are considered adults. That means they are paying as adults, but no, they still cannot have alcohol. So I have a few other room tours that I've done for Dreams Dominicus, and I will put the link down below so you can go ahead and check them out too. I will also put an Instagram link down below of the first time we went to Dreams Dominicus. We actually stayed in the very same exact room. And I want you to notice that at the pool, the plants have grown a lot taller. It's really nice because it gives the pool a more private feel. And yeah, so make sure you keep an eye out for those plants. As always, I do thank you for following us along. And if you have any questions about this resort or any other resort, please write your questions down below and I'll be sure to answer them. And as my mom always says, happy trip!